friends, and welcome to Lifestyle and Creations in association with the Celica Kia Motor Corp. Today we are here to present before you a car that has been launched in the global market named as Kia Carnival. This car is one of the right now the heating markets as a very brilliant car with a comfort, with nice price range and everything. So as you can just have an analyzation of the things, like in recent times in news you have come to know that former cricketers and even big stars have been buying this car. Just see, this is the Kia Carnival standing over here. This is first time it's a 2.2 automatic, 8-speed automatic, I can say. That's a brilliant car that has come up to the global markets. This Kia Carnival, as you can see, is right now having a front grille which all has the chrome finishes as well as the DRL coming up, giving it a nice glimpse for the market. A nice attraction for the customers to come down and have a look of the car. If we come down to the engine portion, like what we can see is this is a 2.2 turbocharged 8-speed automatic car that has been given from Kia to the global markets. It's having up all the features for the safety, you can say, as is airbags, as it be brake assist or anything you want. Whatever the features are there are plenty enough to give you at a definite and a very nice pricing. Doors, this is the sliding door that Kia has given to the market. This is having a handle over here which gives you a multiple entry to the interiors. Now you can have an entry from this way or from the either from the middle. So it's a complete ease to get in the car and again come out of the car. So if you can have a look from the back, it's a nice finishing that has been given by Kia Motors to the nice tail lamp, having a stunning look, as well as the boot is having an automated button. Now when you come down to this boot part, it has multiple options as well. If your height is not too much, you can set your height like it goes. Again, if you want to have a full close down, it's an automatic one. It goes up first and then again comes down and closes on its own. So you can see the roads that we have come through right now are not so that even, but this tires given to this car is playing a very nice role. This is a 19-inch hyper metallic alloy wheels given to the car, which is giving a very dynamic look as well as giving a nice stability and a control over the car. Okay, so this is how it closes down. Now if speaking of this car, this is a new and a very innovative car given to the global market, because this is not a proper SUV nor it is a mid-size SUV. It's an MPV. What is an MPV? MPV is a multi-purpose vehicle. This is something which you can take it to the long tours, have a relax outdoors, and if you are going somewhere where the roads are not so even, you're getting a ground clearance that is much more enough that you can cross out through that roads. So it's basically what you can say is a true off-roader as well as a multi-purpose vehicle. Okay, so we are in the Kia Carnival. As you can see, all the finishes in the dashboard or in the interiors are exceptionally good. Okay, so the steering wheel over here is having both the options of tilt and telescopic. Let me show you how. This is for the telescopic portion, and if you want to have it tilted, you can put it at your own position. And this is a nice 10.25 inches touchscreen that has been given to the car, and as well as you can see the whole design is much stunning and looking nice for this car. And coming down is a triple zone climate air control that you are getting for the AC, as well as you are getting a passenger side and a driver side both adjustment of your automatic triple zone climate control AC. So this is the lever present over here for the automatic gearbox, as well as you can see the parking mode, reverse, neutral and drive modes are given. You can see the front parking sensors, you can see the auto handbrake, electronic handbrake, auto hold, auto hill hold, as well as the front driver ventilated seats with the eco drive mode given as well. So when we coming to the rear seat, you're getting a rear seat entertainment like a small TV that you're getting in rear. If you connect your phone, you can browse, you can see YouTube, and you can do even more like watching movies, music and everything. Coming up over here is the rear AC control. It's a total control by the person sitting in the second row and the third row. It's for the only the AC vents. Well, now coming down, you can see over here is the 2 cup holders given for the rear seats, like they can have their coffee or drinks put over here and enjoy the drive. Coming down here is a 220 volt charging point that you has been given. It's a already given socket that has been down, like for your helping you in charging your laptop or even carrying a small 2 liters refrigerator in your car itself. Okay, so you can here see the rear seat is coming up with certain features, like you're getting the adjustable for your reclining option. You can have an option for the leg rest. It's a leg support that you're getting, as well as you can shift and you can have the seats adjusted, like here it goes. Okay, so now speaking of this Kia Carnival, this is having a dual sunroof, that is for the first time in any car has been given. As you can see, the front sunroof is for the driver and the co-driver seats. In the co-driver, whoever is there can stand and enjoy the feel, the air outside, and those who are sitting in the rear seat can experience their own view. Like in the second row, you are getting a full sunroof. So hope what I have shared with you has a very nice experience to all of you, and for any further informations do visit Celica Kia Motor Corp. You can book a test drive, have the test drive. If you like the car, please go ahead and purchase it. And also thanks for watching me in Lifestyle and Creations. Do subscribe this for further more informations, as well as for the further updates from Kia Motors. Thank you.